Hi, my name is Héctor de Santiago, and my topic for this TED Talk is going to be climate change and how to fight it. For a couple of years now, the planet has slowly, but surely, gotten hotter over the years. But just recently are we starting to see the consequences for our actions, like marine life dying of plastic contamination in the ocean, to birds choking on some plastic material, thinking it was food, to even human beings being detected having microplastics in their organisms just by drinking water or eating fish, which had been previously in contact with said plastic. Now, I know all the problems I've mentioned come from, well, plastics, but that isn't even the biggest contaminator. As a matter of fact, it's the way we use electricity and energy in general. The way we've been using energy is the most contaminating thing we are doing at the moment to the planet, and from what I've noticed, it's not getting the attention it deserves. Now, I know that with a planet about to reach a population of 8 billion people, the demand for resources has never been higher. But if we don't find a way to meet these demands in a clean and renewable way, not only will we destroy our own ecosystem in search of these resources, but in the end, there won't be any. While there are already some well-known clean renewable energy sources such as solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectric, geothermal, and much more, these methods of clean and renewable energy are barely starting to make an impact on our giant carbon footprint. And these two still can't compete with the main two energy sources we are using, those being fossil fuels and, believe it or not, coal. Like from the Wild West days, coal. Okay, coal, sure, okay, but coal. As a matter of fact, one of the biggest contaminators out there is the automotive industry, more specifically, their factories. And just as an example, just to make one simple sedan takes up to 15 tons of CO2 to manufacture. And that's just for one car. This is equivalent of about 3 years worth of driving that said car. Now, imagine this on a global scale, and things start to get quite worrying. But wait, there's more. Because of the elevated amount of CO2, which is a greenhouse gas, the greenhouse effect turns against us, causing the planet to heat up and thus causing this big mess we all call global warming. Now, I know what I've said does sound pretty grim and like there's no way we can fix this problem, but we can solve this, and I just previously said the solution. We have solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectric, geothermal, and much more methods of clean and renewable energy. And not only do we have this to help our fight against climate change, but we also have countless non-profit organizations full of volunteers helping all over the world with acts such as replanting trees, cleaning up beaches full of bottles, bags, and more trash, using bicycles to go to places instead of using cars, recycling, and, well, so much more. This, you see, this place Earth is, at least for now, our only home. And if we're capable enough of turning this giant mess back to normal and overcome this huge obstacle we put ourselves into, then I'm sure that we, as a species, are ready to move on. Thank you.